Hi, this is Doc aka Ribusadora. I speak with an accent and make art while no one is looking, and I kinda just wanna ramble sometimes. See, a while ago I made a tangible thing, a vampire Armand-shaped candle, and decided to give it away since I made like a half a dozen, and sharing my flat with half a dozen gremlins is fun, but ineffective. So far, out of all the countries I sent things to, only the US of A didn't charge extra just for a person to receive something I specified as a handmade gift, which frustrates me to no end. But I decided once I make something else, I just share the process so that you can make it too if you'd like to. So, to make a candle thusly, you'll need a silicone mold, 100 grams of nice extra hard plaster dust, 25 grams of water, a paint you like, a kind of wax you prefer, a wick, and it had just occurred to me that's just like, John Wick. I honestly never considered that, and it's weird how a bilingual brain just stops questioning things at some point. Anyway, mind that I wrote the weight, not the volume. You have 100 something of dry plaster and 25 something of water, and doesn't have to be grams. It's a proportion. I just know that a mold like the one I'm showing is perfect for the quantity in grams. It might work for most kinds of hard plaster, but in case you hesitate, just poke your local vendor about this. The sign you are doing it right is the solidified mix being warm to the touch and not crumbling once you take it out of the mold in an hour or so. Let it air dry for a couple of hours more. Then comes the paint. I used matte acrylics that is usually reserved for chalkboards and extra shiny liquid gold leaf imitation. The former doesn't smell at all, the latter reeks of chemicals, but both dry fast. Then comes the wick. I glue them to the bottom and fix them with something so that they don't float from the center position. Then comes the wax. For the grambling candles I used beeswax, but for these I used soy wax because it works better with various scents and colors. I tint mine the subtlest shade of purple and add a few drops of essence that gives them a faint odor of black currant leaves. I wish I could give them away to more people because I know they smell good and are pleasant to the touch, but alas. I hope this was fun and gave you ideas. Bye!